what's going on, everyone? Did you catch the Tesla stock dip? I'm going to show you why Tesla stock is still a buy. Yeah, we already got that on our chart, so I'm not really too concerned with the market going down as of now, but I'm going to show you all the reason why I suspect that Tesla is still geared for higher prices. The only thing that could stop my idea of looking for Tesla to go up, you already can see it. We're in a sell zone, and I really don't like prices trading in a sell zone when I'm looking for it to go up, because the longer that we don't see price break that sell zone to the upside, the idea would be, okay, cool, the market might go against us. All right, so let me talk about this real quick before I do. Just give me a couple of minutes. If you like the content, as always, come on board, join the community, hit the like button, and also subscribe for more content. You're not going to see me try to give you a whole lot of hype or fear, FUD, or FOMO. We strictly pay attention to what everyone else is doing. That's it. That's all we do. And we pay attention to see which side of the market is actually pushing the price. And if you can determine who's pushing the price, then that's the team that we're going to participate with, because they have a higher probability of winning. That's why currently we're on the team of the buyers. Right now, we're looking for price in Tesla to go up. So we're riding with the buyers until such time the sellers begin to dominate. And then when the sellers begin to dominate, guess what? We're going to ride with the sellers. See, we're not biased on which team we are going to participate and ride with. We're going to ride with the winners, period. That's what we do. So if you guys want to join me, like I said earlier, hit the like button, and also subscribe for more of this content. All right, so now this price prediction that we created, right, was here on September the 4th. Here it is, the 16th, and the market in Tesla has been making a very slow and methodical movement higher. We even saw a day after we did our price prediction right here, the sellers. So we wasn't surprised that right here on Tesla on the 6th of September, the market was down 8.5%. I wasn't like, oh man, what happened? I knew what could happen. You knew what could happen if you already saw our video. This was a sell zone. Those sellers became active and they tried to dump the stock. That's what they tried to do. But as you can see, after this particular day, September the 6th, what did price do anyway? It is still going up. Again, that tells us who's winning. It tells us who's pushing the price, and it currently is the buyers. That is why Tesla stock is still a buy. Period. That's it. What else can we say? Now, if we see another day of Tesla creating this bar, then we might need to have another conversation. Because we need to say, look, we thought the sellers were gone, but man, they came back again. They're still trying to push down the stock price in that sell zone. So what do you think is the probability of price of the buyers breaking the market above that sell zone? Is it 50-50? Is it 75-25? Is it 70-30? What do you think it is? Looking at the chart on different time frames gives us another idea too. So here it is on the weekly chart. From a weekly perspective, I think the chances are pretty high that the market in Tesla is going to try to break that sell zone, because the sellers did not capitalize off of this weakness. The buyers won. Okay? They won. Tesla on the 2 weeks. Once we conclude this week, if the market in Tesla closes at the high of this current 2 weekly price bar, the buyers won. Here it is on the 3. Same thing. Tesla on the 5. Okay. The 5 weekly chart simply shows us that the buyers potentially came in on this last 5 weekly price bar. Here's Tesla on the 5. What do we have? A buy signal trigger. Okay. Telling us that the buyers currently is controlling the market. Here it is on the 4. Another indication as to why I'm expecting the market in Tesla to go up. then let's look at it on a 3. These two 3-day price bars right here. The market sellers are still in the market, but the buyers bought it. Okay, the buyers bought the stock, and every time the price went down in Tesla, those buyers became more active and began buying it up because the market closed off of the lows on both of those 3-day bars. Again, another indication that the market is being controlled by the buyers. Now, check this out though. Okay, for everyone who don't know this, realize that volume is the lifeblood of every stock in the stock market. Without volume, we don't have any movement in price. So when you see a whole lot of volume come in, you need to perk up and say, what's going on? And combine it with the price bar. So what I'm saying is, look at this volume right here. Look at that volume. Boom. What happened? Why did so much volume in Tesla come in the market right there? It's a good question, isn't it? Somebody, we don't know who, either sold a whole lot of Tesla stock or they bought a whole lot of Tesla stock. Maybe it could have been Elon. Who knows? It could have been Elon's brother. I don't know. It could have been somebody on the Tesla board that said, look, I'm trying to get ahead of this robo-taxi event. Let me go ahead and buy up a guap of this stock. Because we have something that we know that the other people don't know, that the public don't even know. So let me buy some. Is that logical? Do you think that that can't happen? Of course it can happen. That high volume came at a location that we see selling, right? But we also got the bar closing at the high of the price bar. Wow. Because if it truly was selling, if all this volume was selling, we would have a price bar like this one. But instead we didn't. So somebody, I am presuming, bought Tesla because they know market is amped. Or I can't say they know, but they see that there's a higher chance that price in Tesla is going to continue to go up. And guess what? We appreciate those people because they can't hide their hand. This price chart shows us everyone's hand. It's our job to learn how to break it down to our benefit. That's what I do. I break down charts so that we can see it for our benefit. So that's why I'm not changing the price prediction. Let me extend this over, and we're just going to save it, and we'll come back again to see what happens. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.